White Christmas. Oh, it's so cute. That is $20. Tabletop. It is tabletop. And this is 15. It light up. It did. Tabletop. Baby, it's cold outside. Oh my goodness. How many cute. The price also cute. Unless you have the coupon. Oop, I can't pass through. I gotta go back. Oh, look. What is this? Is cute. Oh, it's not working. How about this? Oh, right there. That's heavy. Oh, this is the sticker and the packaging. No, I need the stacking stopper. Yeah, go find. Look. Okay. Merry Christmas. It's music so loud. $24.99. That is so cute. It's just like that. Okay. So many things. Oh, come let us adore him. Okay, now we go. How much is the slipper? Oh, there's more. Oh my goodness. So many. There's Santa. Don't forget the dogs. That's right. Don't forget the dog. $15. Oh God. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is really, the quality is good. Let me see. 15. Oh, the reindeer over there. Oh, no. It all got. Okay, in the back. How much is it? They're all 15. I had to find some. Okay. Oh, look at. Oh my goodness. Don't forget the dog, Santa. Oh, that is so. Is this candle? It is candle. Oh, Santa, I can't explain. There you are. I've been looking for a placemat. A tablecloth. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. Oh, this is pretty. Wonder how much is it. And the bathroom.